remember to like and subscribe and to share. And today I'm going to be sharing with you my vegetable beef soup recipe. It's perfect now for fall. I'm going to use up some of my pantry items, and I'm going to use up a jalapeno that I had earlier for lunch, half of a jalapeno, to make it a little spicy. So I hope you enjoy this recipe, and thank you for joining. So I just have my few ingredients in here. I put some butter in here and jalapeno and a little bit of onion, and I'm just going to soften them up just a little. I'm going to add this. And then next I'm going to add these Brussels sprouts. I think I might chop them up a little bit. Sometimes I add cabbage to my soup, my vegetable soup, but they actually did not have any cabbage at the store, so I got Brussels sprouts, which I've never made them in my soup before, but I bet it will be really good. So this is what I'm going to use today. And so I did end up cutting these in half, so I'm just going to add these to the soup. And I'm going to go and chop the rest of these Brussels sprouts in half, and I'll be right back. So I did end up adding another carton of this beef broth. And I added a packet of this Lipton onion soup mix. And next I added some lemon pepper. I'm going to give it lots of flavor. And 1 bay leaf. Garlic salt, just a little bit of that because I'm going to add regular salt. Some regular salt. Some granulated garlic. It's different than the garlic salt. And then some Italian seasoning. And a little bit of turmeric, which is really good for inflammation. Mix that all in. So I'm going to leave these ingredients on here to boil for a little bit, boil down the little cabbages, the Brussels sprouts, because the other vegetables that I'm going to add to this are canned, so they're already cooked, so I want to make sure I get the Brussels sprouts all nice and cooked. So now the Brussels sprouts are all cooked nice and tender. I'm going to add this ground beef that I already have cooked, so I'm going to add this cooked ground beef. And so next I'm going to add a can of green beans and then a can of sliced carrots. So I'm going to add this frozen corn that I put up in the freezer. It has salt and pepper and butter in there. I remembered I had this in the freezer, so I'm going to add this to. Next I added a can of these diced tomatoes, and then a can of tomato sauce, and stir it up, heat it up, bring it to a boil, and then taste it. If you may need to add some more seasoning, some salt and pepper, but other than that, let it simmer, and then it's done. Hope you enjoyed this recipe, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.